Now at 5:30, high-profile civil rights attorney Ben Crump held a news conference today announcing a new lawsuit filed against the state of Arizona, and that complaint is linked to the massive Medicaid scandal that cost Arizona an estimated $2 billion in fraud.
The scheme involved so-called bad actors targeting vulnerable people with addictions. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum reports on behavioral health providers who say they were hit with baseless accusations.
Nearly 80 plaintiffs are included in this complaint against Arizona's Medicaid agency. They claim they've either been wrongfully suspended, reimbursed for services way too slowly, and some businesses say they've gone bankrupt.
They came up with a way to scapegoat it and try to blame hard-working providers for their malfeasance.
Attorney Ben Crump calling out Arizona's healthcare cost containment system, saying Access unjustly targeted black and brown behavioral health providers during a large-scale crackdown in 2023. Crump says providers of color were 300 times more likely to be denied payments for services provided compared to non-minority providers.
Without just cause or reasoning, we were ignored, intentionally slow paid, and eventually received no payment at all for the services we provided to Access clients.
Fox 10 has extensively covered the sober living scheme that preyed on vulnerable Native Americans on the American Indian Health Plan, enticing them with alcohol and drugs while not providing any treatment services. These plaintiffs say Access overcorrected with the new administration and used a ready, aim, fire approach on hundreds of providers.
The state suspended, terminated, and got rid of people with a knee-jerk reaction.
Some of these plaintiffs have been suspended due to allegations of fraudulent billing, which stops payments immediately.
The fact that the unsubstantiated claims were enough to suspend your license, to terminate your license without you never having an opportunity to defend yourself.
Suspended facilities have 30 days to appeal the decision, but plaintiffs say they are still waiting for state hearings. The crackdown, Crump believes, will result in Access patients without available treatment and care. At the end of the press conference, a heated moment as this woman spoke up.
You know how you help? You come to our communities, to our tables, and listen to our guidance and our leadership instead of being outside of our communities and acting like you know what is best.
Reva Stewart, who leads Stolen People, Stolen Benefits, made her presence felt, she says, a reminder to focus on the thousands of Native American victims.
They feel like they're being discriminated against. Where are the seeds of our people that should be here if they were for the people?
Crump's plaintiffs are suing the state over several allegations, including lack of due process, racial discrimination, and negligence, to name some. They are requesting a jury trial. We have reached out to Access for comment, and we have not heard back. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.